This centrally located, like new, Craftsman-style home, built in 2015, boasts a fantastic floor plan. This home features a spectacular open-concept floor plan with a spacious modern kitchen with leathered granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, and overlooks the family room with gas fireplace and dining room which opens out to an oversized elevated patio. The office, full bath and first-floor master bedroom complete with oversized walk-in tile shower and double vanities round off the delightful first floor. The mid-level great room above the full 3-car garage is perfect for family fun and entertaining. The second floor boasts the 3 additional bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Sited on a beautiful, flat, level, corner acre fence lot that is ideal for kids and pets. Do not miss this opportunity to own one of the finest homes in North